The first place we went to is a plant-based restaurant called Holy Carrot next to Knightsbridge. On their website, it says it has a vegan menu that focuses on using ethically sourced seasonal produce prepared in a mindful manner. All their dishes are gluten-free, sugar-free, as well as free from preservatives and additives. So it has a very pretty interior, and then we looked at our menu and ordered our dishes.
So this is sexy tofu with aubergine, and that's parsnip risotto, and that's orange cauliflower with sour cream. So let's dig in. Really good. It's this explosion of flavor, like it has the tanginess, and it's just really good with the sour cream. It's so nice, it's so creamy. I bet it's the parsnips. Oh my god. What do you think? It's so good, right? Is it truffle? You mean the black stuff?
Yeah. Can you not taste it? It's so strong.
Okay, yeah, it's true.
It tastes kind of like cauliflower rice.
Yeah, it doesn't really taste like rice, but it's like good. Oh, so it's like not rice, it's made out of like parsnips. We were stupid. Oops. And there's some mushrooms here, so probably it's parsnip mushroom risotto instead of like rice. Anyways, let's try the sexy tofu. I don't know what the yellow is. Oh my god, it's so good. Like there's sweetness that balances it out. It's so nice.
So what's the yellow?
I don't know what the yellow is, but it's so good. Try the lotus thing. I think I took two by accident.
Huh? It's fine.
Right?
Yeah, luckily we got this.
I think this is the best out of all of them, but they're all really good. So let's eat. Dessert menu. So we have the dessert. This is chocolate cheesecake with purple carrot sorbet, and this one is miso caramel sponge cake with caramel ice cream. So I'm so excited. Let's try them. Try the sorbet actually. This purple carrot. Wow, it doesn't even feel like it's carrot. It's so good. Oh, it's like dense, but like good dense. I really like it. It's so creamy, so chocolatey. It's like a good dense, and the flavor really comes through. It's like really rich chocolate. It's so good, and the sorbet was really smooth, and it's like really refreshing. So I really like this one. Maybe that's what they were going for.
No, lor, I didn't say raw cake on the menu, lor.
Oh, but it just says cheesecake.
Getting sad on the ice cream.
The quenelle didn't work out, but let's try it. It's kind of like falling apart. Go with a bit of ice cream. Oh my god, that's so good. Oh my god. Like the caramel and the oat like actually blend so well together, and like the sponge is really moist with the, I think it just soaked up all the flavors, and it's just, oh my gosh, it's so good. So this place is really good, and I give it like 10 out of 10 because everything tastes so good. Like it's so flavorful, everything has like packed full of flavor, and it's just really nice balance, and everything just tastes really good. And I'm really full now, so on to the next restaurant.
So the next restaurant we went to is called 123V, and it is a 100% plant-based restaurant from Alexis Gauthier at Fenwick of Bond Street in London, and it is located at the bottom level of the Mall Fenwick, and it has again a very pretty interior that seems very modern. And then we just stopped by and looked at our menu.
How can sushi be vegan?
I don't know, we'll figure it out. We have the vegan sushi, which looks really realistic. And then we have.
What do you mean realistic? Bro, it's weird.
No, like the fish. The fish. No, the sashimi? Don't you think it looks realistic? Like real, like actual fish.
How did they make it?
I have no idea. Quesadilla rojas, which has like, what's it? Corn galette, harissa glazed aubergine, and then confit red peppers, spicy salsa, cheese, and yeah. And then chickpea fries.
It is very realistic. Yeah, it's really realistic. So it's like real fish. What the? Have you had this before?
No. It's actually like raw fish. I think this is uramaki.
Yeah. It's realistic. I wonder how they made this.
Yeah.
Another scary fish.
Other scary fish.
Imagine they don't tell you what it's made of because it's actually just fish. Interesting.
It's like gooey inside. I think it's just a chickpea flour batter. In fact, the more I eat it, the more it feels like potatoes.
It feels like tofu.
Tofu? But it's chewy.
Tofu fried tofu.
Yeah, but okay.
Tofu fried on the outside.
It's pretty good. And then I think they just mix it with some filler stuff and then they call it cheese. I don't know actually. What is this called? Strawberry Harry.
That doesn't seem right.
I think it's supposed to be to Harry Styles because it's fresh strawberries and watermelon sugar blancmange.
You just
Try it. What do you think?
it's like coconut yogurt.
Okay. Okay, let me try.
Obviously, I can taste the sugar and blancmange.
Yeah, it's like yogurt. It's nice though.
Overall, I really enjoyed the time we spent at 123V. The food was all very, very nice. The chickpea fries were really pillowy, and the vegan sushi was really, really similar to real fish sushi. I think we were both surprised by it, and the dessert was alright, but I think the quesadillas was also really nice, so overall just had a really good time there. Thank you so much, 123V. Our next stop is Tofu Vegan, located in Upper Street in Islington. And on their website, it says that many of their dishes are made with tofu and mushrooms or with Asian imitation meats made from bean proteins and other meat-free ingredients. They include chefs from Sichuan, the Cantonese south of Asia, and the northeast Dongbei region. So the menu features a range of enticing regional flavors.
We have the menu. First to say hi. It looks so good. Okay. It's like the restaurant actually looks really authentic and I'm like really excited. I mean, plus the servers can speak Chinese, so I'm excited. Hopefully it's good. So we have some classic chao shi shu, like just normal seasonal vegetables stir-fried in like garlic sauce. So yay. This is normal veggies.
I miss this. So good.
It's just that typical flavor of home. That. This is like tofu roll. There you go. You like it? It feels like minced pork. It's so good. Oh, the steak. Can I have one, please? Thank you. I never put sauce on it.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I don't know. I never put it.
Isn't it not dry?
That's what my mom would say, but no, I'll just put a bit. Okay. I think I need to taste the mianji by itself. So good! Oh my god! You think it's good? Is it really similar?
Yes.
Like, is it similar to the mianji is just so good. My god. Finished everything. I love this.
Eggs versus tofu.
Overall, I really enjoyed my time at Tofu Vegan. I thought the food was very authentic for what they had, and I just especially loved the Peking duck because it was one of the meals I enjoyed the most as a kid, so I loved it so much there. The next place I went is a small restaurant called Lime Orange, which specializes in Korean cuisine in Victoria. It's a small restaurant located on the side of the street. So I think I'm gonna get the tofu bibimbap. This just looks really good. Inside my tofu bibimbap, it looks so good. It's sizzling. It smells so good. Miso soup. The texture. I really enjoyed my time here at Lime Orange, although I only offered the tofu bibimbap, so I couldn't give a comprehensive overview of the whole restaurant itself, but for the bibimbap itself, I give it 10 out of 10 because it was just really amazing with the sizzling stone pot, really authentic.